How important is it to enjoy whatever you're doing?
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज जैसे बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि मुझे क्रिकेट खेलना अच्छा लगता है, बट जब सेम बॉलिंग दिन में 8 घंटा फील्ड पे करना पड़ता है ना, तो ऑर्डिनरी पीपल कैन नॉट डू इट. सो अनलेस वी हैव अ डीपर पर्पज ऑफ डूइंग थिंग्स, it becomes meaningless, right?
Can you
Just
repeat that, please?
yeah, unless we have a deeper purpose of doing things, that activity itself becomes meaningless, right? क्रिकेट खेलना सबको अच्छा लगता है, हम भी जाके 1 घंटा 2 घंटा खेलाते हैं, बट अभी हमें हर रोज आध घंटे फील्ड पे बोल दिया जाए क्रिकेट खेलने को, तो वी विल टायर आउट. बट
हाँ,
पीपल लाइक stalwarts like MS Dhoni, Rohit, they do it
yeah.
because they have a deeper sense of purpose. So I think that why needs to become very clear, that why I'm doing what I'm doing. So that this was the struggle I faced even during the startup phase, during the initial starting phase, and this is where I discovered this spiritual journey, and I started reading Bhagavad Gita, other scriptures, and that that solved my why for the startup. Yeah.
It's all your why.
Yes.
AIEEE के रिजल्ट का दिन दूसरे अटेम्प्ट का
Mm-hmm.
क्या मंजर था? थोड़ा सा विजुअल्स ये तो याद होगा.
हाँ, ये तो obviously. So mom was praying whole day just because उस पर online some particular day पे particular time पे results online not होता है.
हम्म.
Mom was very nervous. She didn't have the courage to stand in front of
ये
the.
कहाँ साइबर कैफे में?
नहीं घर पे ही our elder brother had a laptop.
Okay.
So elder cousin brother has a laptop, so he brought, and then he was plugging that dongle, slow internet.
Yeah. 2000s.
Yes.
कौन सा साल था ये by the way?
2012, because I came, 2012. So, and father and my elder brother was seeing the results, and then it came out. Everyone was very happy. I was like, okay, ठीक.
Happy like
Yeah, I
tears
was
of
happy
happiness?
that it was there, but मतलब उस लेवल का क्योंकि एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं रखा था, तो the amplitude of happiness was, because I understood this is the first step,
Hmm.
and this is what the notion I continued throughout my stay also at IIT. As we
Yeah.
were discussing before, like for many people coming into IITs was an achievement. For me, it was an opportunity,
Lovely.
to do something new with my life, to do something better with my life. So I continued that passion. I continued that seeking nature throughout that IIT also. कि नहीं भाई, ये achievement नहीं हो सकता. There are 10,000 people out who are coming into a college. So this is not an achievement. This is a platform to achieve something higher.
मतलब
Right.
मैदान में एंट्री हो गई है, अब
हम्म.
असली खेल यहाँ खेलना
अब
है.
असली खेल यहाँ खेलना.
पिता की आंखों में अब अशतेश कैसे नजर आ रहा था?
So my father has that temperament that वो बहुत ज़्यादा, if you do something bad, he will अच्छे से पिटाई करेंगे, but if you do something good, वो आके शाबाशी वाबाशी इतना नहीं देते हैं, but his face expressions will tell everything.
That's most of the Indian dads.
Nah, that's most of the Indian dad. But that itself is a
Yeah,
great
it's a beautiful
satisfaction.
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when I compare it to a 6th class person who was very much was given up of me kind of, and that person that it was that time he was full of hope.
Yeah.
Right. And he was the one who inspired me, that you should try for the best. That time I used to realize कि used to think कि पापा कहीं आसपास के कॉलेज में ले लेता हूँ ना, कि मतलब उतना दूर क्यों जाना है इतना. तो he said one very interesting line to me कि देखो, if you surrounded by people who are lesser intelligent than you will be like a frog in a well. If you are surrounded by people who are much more intelligent than you, then after 5 years you will be much better than what you are today. So those are some of the things he used to push us कि नहीं
Yeah.
भाई. So yeah, it was fun.
एंड आई थिंक मुझे ऐसा लगता है हिंदुस्तान में खासकर हमारे जो माता पिता होते हैं और खासकर पिता, वो कभी हमें छोड़ते नहीं हैं. वो बस ये एहसास दिलाते हैं और खुद के अंदर खुद को मनाते हैं, क्योंकि वो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो जितना हमसे प्यार करते हैं शायद हम भी अपनी औलादों से ना कर पाए. आई थिंक हर माँ बाप अपनी औलाद से बहुत प्यार करता है, लेकिन वो जो कहते हैं ना कि अब अपना रास्ता तुम्हें खुद चुनना पड़ेगा, खुद चलना पड़ेगा. हम तुम्हें मार्गदर्शन कर सकते हैं, लेकिन कदमों को तुम्हें खुद ही बढ़ाना है. आई थिंक दैट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ गट्स एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट योर फादर डिड एंड इट टर्न्ड आउट सो वेल.
Right.
Lovely.